USB 3.0 is dead? What? Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook and Twitter. And today we're going to be talking about USB. When I said in the beginning that USB 3.0 is dead, it kinda is. And renamed it to USB 3.1 Gen 1. USB 3.1 does not designate a connector. It designates a speed. Now it's 3.1 Gen 1 and USB 3.1 Gen 2. All those specifications I just said just are for bandwidth. Gen 1, if you see the words super speed USB, you'll know that it's 5 gigabits per second. Super speed USB 10, you'll know that it's Gen 2. Okay? So USB 3.0 is gone. It's only used in connectors, such as, and not limited to, USB 3.0 Type B, USB 3.0 Micro B, USB 3.0 Type A, USB 3.0 Type C. Those are all USB 3.0 connectors. So if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. Now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,